Hair loss treatment: 15 alternative ways to fight hair loss. It is natural to lose between 50 and 100 hair a day. With about 100,000 hair on your head, that small loss is unnoticeable. The lost hair is normally replaced by new hair, but not always. Hair loss can develop gradually over years or happen abruptly. Hair loss can be permanent or temporary. If you notice that you are losing more hair than usual, you should discuss the problem with your doctor. He or she can determine the underlying cause of your hair loss and suggest appropriate treatment plans. In this video we share about 15 alternative ways to fight hair loss. Let's start. Number 1. Onion juice. The idea is that the sulfur in onion juice helps hair regrowth. There's not much research on this, but a small study tested it in people with alopecia areata, which causes patchy hair loss. Half put onion juice on their scalp twice a day, the rest used tap water. After 2 weeks, 74% of the onion juice group had regrown some hair, compared with 13% of tap water users. If you try it, you might want to add something that masks the smell. Number 2. Iron. This crucial nutrient helps your body make blood, and low levels of it are linked to hair loss. The reason why isn't clear, but make sure you eat plenty of iron-rich foods like meat, fish, poultry, tofu, broccoli, and all kinds of greens. Talk to your doctor before taking iron pills, though. Too much can cause vomiting and constipation. Very high doses can even be fatal. Number 3. Biotin. Some doctors prescribe biotin, aka vitamin B7, for hair loss and get good results. It's also good for your skin. Although it's safe, you probably get plenty from the foods you eat. Eggs, wheat germ, and mushrooms all contain a high amount of biotin. Don't worry so much about putting it on your scalp. While many hair products boast that they contain it, there's not much proof that your hair loss will be helped by them. Number 4. Zinc. Since zinc helps with most processes in your body that keep you alive, it's no surprise that it also strengthens the follicles under your scalp that nourish your hair. Your body doesn't have a way to store zinc, so you need some in your diet every day. If your levels are low, there's some proof that taking zinc by mouth could help with hair loss, but more research is needed. Your doctor will likely have you try other treatments first. Number 5. Saw palmetto. From the fruit of a small palm tree comes this herbal remedy, which is sometimes hyped as a hair growth wonder drug. Some studies have shown that it keeps the male hormone testosterone from breaking down, which can help prevent hair loss. While it's unclear how well saw palmetto works, the good news is that it's believed to be safe, can be taken with other drugs, and doesn't cost much to try. Number 6. Aromatherapy. Sandalwood, lavender, rosemary, and thyme oils have been used to treat hair loss for over 100 years. A compound in them is thought to boost hair growth. You can try rubbing one or more of these oils into your scalp for at least 2 minutes every night. Then, wrap your head in a warm towel to help it absorb. This nightly massage smells good and can help you feel more relaxed. Number 7. Silicone. High levels of this common element can slow down hair loss. Not to mention, make your locks brighter. You'll find different types of silicone supplements at the store, but a man-made version called orthosilicic acid (OSA) may be absorbed best by your body. Still, talk to your doctor first. It's not clear how safe silicone supplements are. Number 8. Selenium. Some hair growth supplements contain a nutrient called selenium. It can help your body fight off any toxins you're exposed to and keep your hair follicles healthy. Although rats and mice with low selenium start to go bald, this hasn't been proved true for people. In fact, too much selenium can actually cause hair loss, as well as problems with your memory. Number 9. Melatonin. You may know melatonin as the sleep hormone. Many people take it as a supplement for a good night's rest or to cut jet lag. But a cream with melatonin can also boost hair growth or slow down hair loss. The reasons aren't clear, but in a study, people who used a melatonin mixture on their scalp saw less hair loss in 30 days. Struggle with dandruff? Melatonin could help that too. As with all supplements, check with your doctor first. Number 10. Pumpkin seed oil. Daily doses of pumpkin seed oil taken by mouth could safely help bring your hair back. While more research is needed, one small study found that men who took 4 capsules of paseo each day for 6 months saw their hair count increase by 40%. One reason why? Like saw palmetto, pumpkin seed oil could block testosterone from changing into a compound called DHT, which is linked to hair loss. Number 11. Green tea. An extract made from its compounds may help a range of health issues, including hair loss. It may be a compound called EGCG that helps with hair growth. Researchers saw a difference when they gave balding rats green tea extract for 6 months. But that hasn't been tested in people. Use green tea supplements with caution, though. Some contain other compounds that can make you sick. Number 12. Platelet-rich plasma (PRP). Doctors sometimes inject platelet-rich plasma (PRP), which comes from your own blood, to help with healing after surgery. PRP, which is rich in growth factors, might also help your hair grow. You give a little blood, and a lab spins it in a centrifuge to home in on platelet-rich plasma protein. You then get it injected into different points on your scalp. Many people who have PRP notice their hair grows back thicker than before. Number 13. Amino acids. These are building blocks for proteins. They help your body work the way it should. Some amino acids such as cysteine and L-lysine play a special role in keeping your hair healthy and growing. But you don't need to take them as supplements. You should get plenty of amino acids through a healthy diet. Good food sources include cottage cheese, fish, eggs, seeds and nuts, whole grains, and meat. Number 14. Smart hair care. In some cases, you can help your own hair loss with small and easy changes. Be gentle when you wash, dry, and brush your hair. Don't yank. Limit the use of curling irons and hot rollers, which can weaken your hair. If you smoke, now's a great time to quit. Men who light up are more likely to have hair loss than those who don't. Number 15. Tame your stress. Going through a rough time can sometimes lead to hair loss. Try to head it off by getting a better grip on your stress. Try techniques like meditation, deep breathing, guided imagery, relaxation exercises, or talking to a counselor. Exercise is also a great option. These are all easy to learn and proven to help ease tension. Keep in mind, the best treatment for your hair loss depends on the cause. Talk to your doctor for guidance. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.